Hello my lovely people, it's your able girl the Ototayo when they bring on ogbonge news all across the world, especially Nigeria. Oya na gbase mona gather your man yarn na the tori as e dey hot. My people, today we wan talk about how the Nigeria government take ban Twitter after the Twitter company don delete wetin President Buhari post for Twitter. On Friday, wey be on the 4th of June 2021, na the Minister of Information and Culture wey dem dey call Lai Mohammed come make dis suspension known to pipo for Abuja, Nigeria. So the Nigeria government say dem wan suspend every activities wey concern Twitter operations in the country Nigeria. Say dem wan suspend the company Twitter because dem dey allow their platform to be used for activities wey dey capable of undermining Nigeria corporation, activities wey go fit break Nigeria to pieces. So dem no want am. And I know the funniest part, dem wan ban the Twitter and dem still use the Twitter take make this announcement. Which dey here, e never tey when dem bring another proposal to change Nigeria to UAR. This country, everybody na jokers everywhere. You wan ban the platform, you still use the platform take make the announcement. Hey God. So Lai Mohammed now when he stand for Nigeria government wan talk say he and Twitter na him wan fight now. So he wan retaliate because Twitter do wetin? Delete President Buhari post. So he wan defend the position of the federal government. So the minister also talk say the federal government don direct NBC to start the process on how to give license to all OTT and social media operations in Nigeria. So he say the more Nigerians dey use the Twitter, the more dem dey do wetin? Put fire for the breakup of the country. Una sure say the Nigeria government dey look to the case well, check am well before dem dey make decision. So the President Buhari and the federal government dey know how some Nigerians dey use Twitter take dey live. Dem know how Nigerians dey make money pass for Twitter. A lot of young people na Twitter dem take dey make their money, dey hustle there because na very big platform. Twitter dem dey sustain a lot of job with their platform for Nigeria. I'm not sure say the federal government and Lai Mohammed know concerning all these things. A lot of young people, na the Twitter be their hustle, na it be their life sef. Na there they take dey make daily bread because no job for the country. Then you come say you wan suspend am. The people when e dey hustle there dey make money there, wetin you want make dem do? Then at the end they go come dey enter street, dey go thief, dey carry people things, dey do bad bad thing. You see come outside say the Nigeria youth dem be lazy people. Now where they put food for some people mouth, you wan close am. For this reason, we no know who dey run the affairs of Nigeria again, who come up with this decision. They no dey think well before dem dey make their decision. Then dem dey get their money. The young Nigerians wey get another means to take get money, you wan see block them. Dem no dey think of the life of young Nigerians. All they just want na Nigeria. Even though the young ones dey die, the killings dey happen, Fulani herdsmen, Boko Haram dey one side, dem no care. Bandits dey one side. So MTN, Glo, Airtel, all of them dey wait for the federal government order for them to block Twitter. Imagine. So my people, now say ma do wetin call let una know. Make we go straight to our second news for today. The governor of Imo State, wey dem dey call Hope Uzodinma, don come outside on Friday wey be on the 4th of June 2021. The governor come talk say some of the APC members wey dey vex for the party, na dem dey do wetin? Dey fight against government. And some of the opposition party, na dem dey gang up together dey fight the government for southeast. He say dem dey hire boys from other states to come to Imo State and the southeast come cause wahala. He come assure south people say make dem leave these people for am. He know how he go fit take do wetin deal with them. He go assure them say dem no go go unpunished. He must deal with them. He go fish every one of them, including APC members. If you ask me, this Governor Hope Uzodinma, he do investigation pass police, pass DPO, pass even army, all of them. Wetin the Nigeria police for southeast dey investigate when they never know the route? Governor Hope Uzodinma know the whole route. The first time na so Hope Uzodinma first come and say na IPOB na e dey do wetin cause the whole wahala wey dey happen for southeast. Second again, now e don come say na another party dey cause the things wey dey happen. Now e don include APC members, im own party APC members people plus another people. Na only im dey do investigation so im dey vow say e go deal with people who dey threa ten his administration for the southeast. So Hope Uzodinma come still call on the traditional rulers in the state make dem join hands together to fight the insecurity wey dey happen for southeast. So Hope come still talk say he don still warn the traditional rulers make dem caution their boys, all these community boys, in order, because he wan bring new security strategies, known and unknown, to manage the security in Imo State. So he dey try to talk now say traditional rulers na dem dey keep criminals. When they say make the council go house, make dem go bring the name of criminal wey dey their community. Na wow, nothing we no go see for this country Nigeria.
I'd advise that traditional rulers should warn these boys, even though most of you have refused to reveal their names. You should warn them, because I am bringing a security strategy, known and unknown, to manage security in Imo State. The work of this council is not only to organize the security or vigilante group. This council must now go home and get us names of every criminal in their communities. You must collect intelligence for us. You must collect intelligence for security agencies to work. But I can assure you that the opposition party and some aggrieved members of our party who are hiring boys from neighboring states to come in here, allow me, I will deal with them. I can assure you, leave that for me. So the people who threatened that will make Imo ungovernable, before Imo becomes ungovernable, they will be ungovernable themselves.